After having such a long travel weekend, it feels good to come home, refresh, reset. I have been traveling so much in the months of December and January. I also think I'm getting a cold. So it feels good now to kind of have a little bit of a reset for like a month and a half before my next trip. I'm taking today to kind of just regroup myself. Don't even know if I'm gonna leave the house today. It's also so freaking cold outside. I'm drinking this like collagen coffee that I got. It was in a can. It's disgusting. So we need to make another one. We need all the energy today. Much better.